Stage 5 of stroke recovery is where progress turns into potential. With spasticity easing and movement improving, how do you turn these gains into functional levels of independence? Well, this stage is all about refining your skills and unlocking new opportunities for growth. So stick around to the end and I'll show you how to make that happen. Welcome to Indian Neurotherapy. My name is Evan. I am an occupational therapist and I specialize in neurorehabilitation. And this channel is all about helping stroke survivors continue their recoveries at home. So if you don't know what stage you're in, be sure to check out our self-assessment video where I'll take you through and help you figure out what stage of stroke recovery you're in, and that way you can find the right videos for you. Now let's get back to the video. Reaching stage 5 is an incredible achievement. By now, movement has become much more fluid, spasticity is almost gone, and your recovery from your stroke is almost complete. This stage is about pushing your limits, refining your abilities, and reaching new levels of independence. The focus of stage 5 is on these 3 critical areas. The first being enhancing motor control, coordination, and balance. The second being improving muscle strength and endurance. And lastly, improving everyday independence. And now let me show you some practical strategies to improve motor control, coordination, and balance. Bilateral arm training enhances coordination and reinforces neural pathways by stimulating both sides of the brain simultaneously. In this stage, you can progress to activities like washing dishes or preparing meals, crocheting, or even using strength training machines. These tasks challenge precision and control while promoting functional use of your affected side. The next intervention is repetitive task training. Repetition remains one of the most effective ways to strengthen neural connections and improve motor learning. At this stage, try more complex tasks like typing or writing, picking up tiny objects, or using tools to complete intricate tasks. These advanced challenges fine-tune your coordination and build confidence in real-world activities. Up next, we have gross motor coordination. Gross motor coordination focuses on larger muscle movements, and at this stage, it's time to take on some more advanced challenges. You can work on cross-body movements, dual task coordination, or sports-inspired activities like tossing a ball, swinging a racket, or stepping over obstacles. These dynamic exercises improve control, balance, and overall functional ability. Fine motor coordination focuses on precise, small, detailed movements required for tasks like grasping, pinching, or using your fingers for intricate activities. Start with some simple exercises like picking up small objects, threading beads, or working with therapy putty. Next up is balance retraining. Balance is the foundation for stability and movement, making it a critical focus for this stage of recovery. In the later stages of stroke recovery, you want to continue challenging yourself with more difficult balance exercises, such as standing on one leg or using a balance pad. These exercises not only prevent falls, but also boost your confidence in daily movements. Just be sure to have someone spot you if you are unsteady on your feet or use a counter for support. Yoga and Tai Chi are gentle, flowing movements and stretches that help reduce spasticity, enhance coordination, and improve postural control. If balance is a concern, modify your movements to suit your abilities or get a spotter like we talked about before. Virtual reality offers a safe, interactive way to practice movements while stimulating neuroplasticity. It boosts coordination, provides instant feedback, and keeps the therapy engaging and effective. Sensory retraining involves helping your brain reconnect with the sensations of your limbs, and this will help improve the use of those limbs. It involves some simple activities like feeling different textures or temperatures, and it can even involve sensory electrical stimulation, which helps to reawaken those sensory pathways. And now let's shift to the next part in stage 5 recovery on building muscle strength and endurance. And these exercises will help you tackle daily activities with greater ease and confidence. First, we have weight-bearing exercises. Weight-bearing exercises are essential for activating affected muscles and promoting neuroplasticity. At this stage, you can incorporate more demanding movements like squats, lunges, or bear crawls. And these exercises are great because they not only improve muscle strength and endurance, but also balance and motor control. Next, we have strengthening exercises. With spasticity no longer holding you back, it's now time to start focusing on more advanced strengthening exercises. Start with light resistance using bands or weights, then gradually increase to heavier weights as your strength grows. These exercises challenge your muscles, improve control, and prepare you for complex tasks. Next is advanced functional training. This integrates real-world tasks to build muscle strength and endurance in meaningful ways. In the later stages of recovery, this could look like practicing carrying objects, climbing stairs, or pushing a cart. This approach bridges the gap between completing daily exercises and functional activity. Aerobic exercise. Aerobic activities like brisk walking or stationary cycling boost cardiovascular fitness and support brain health. It can also help manage spasticity and even encourage neuroplasticity. You can start small with just a few minutes a day and gradually build up intensity as your endurance improves. And now that we've laid the foundation for your recovery, the next step is task-specific training. All this is using your affected limb in everyday life tasks. In stage 5 of stroke recovery, you may do things like cooking, gardening, or even just playing cards. These tasks may seem basic, but the key is how you do them. We want to focus on intentional movements and proper form. Just remember that every repetition you do brings you closer to more controlled and smoother movements with that task. Task-specific training is more than just movement. It's about using your affected limbs in meaningful everyday tasks. This repetitive and purposeful practice taps into your brain's natural ability to adapt and rewire itself, creating stronger neural connections. With consistent effort, even small changes in your daily routine can lead to big impacts in your recovery. Stage 5 is where you refine your skills, build strength, and step closer towards independence. If you're ready to take the next step in your stroke recovery journey, then be sure to check out my exercise video playlist here for Stage 5 stroke recovery, and we'll get started on those exercises we talked about today. Are you a stroke survivor who feels stuck, overwhelmed, or frustrated with your lack of progress? Maybe therapy has ended, now you're on your own, and you're just a little unsure about how to continue progressing? Well, if this sounds familiar, my one-on-one coaching program is for you. At indieneurotherapy.com/coaching, I offer a recovery plan tailored to your goals and physical abilities. You'll get personalized home exercises as well as access to a stroke recovery specialist, me. And together, we'll cut through all the trial and error and help you focus on what really works, helping you make real progress. But spots are limited, so don't wait. Visit indieneurotherapy.com/coaching and we'll explore if it's right for you. If you found this video helpful, the best free thing you can do is give me a like or comment on the video. And if you're looking for more information on stroke recovery or guided exercise videos, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.